Ravnanda boys. I already finished exercise 4.1, 127. Next I will go for question number 8. So question number 8 they given triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. So question itself they given. So triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Okay, so this is given. And the next area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC is equal to 9 centimeters square. And then area of triangle DEF. Area of triangle DEF is equal to 16 centimeters square they given. And then BC. In triangle ABC they given BC is equal to 2.1 centimeter they given. Then you want to find the length of EF. So in triangle DEF you want to find the length of EF you want to find. So question itself they given triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Two triangles are similar, right? Then area of triangle ABC and area of triangle DEF and then BC and EF they given. Clear? So here two triangles are similar and their areas they given, right? So two triangles are similar and their areas of given draw. So I can use the result. If two triangles are similar, then the ratio of area of two triangle is equal to the ratio of squares of corresponding sides. So if two triangles are similar, then the ratio of area of two similar triangle is equal to the ratio of the squares of corresponding sides, right? So I can use this result. So I can use this result. Now you want to find the EF you want to find. Okay, so now I can take the two triangles are similar, so I can take the corresponding sides of ratios, right? So two triangles ABC and DEF they given, right? So here they given two areas also they given. So now we can use this result, that is the ratio of area of two triangles. So area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle DEF. Okay, that is the ratio of area of two triangles, right, is equal to the ratio of squares of corresponding sides. So is equal to, so squares of corresponding sides. So here corresponding sides are BC and EF. Okay, so we can take BC square and EF square, because what is the condition? A ratio of area is equal to the ratio of squares of corresponding sides. So ratio of area is equal to the squares of corresponding sides. Okay, now area of triangle ABC is equal to 9 they given. So 9 by area of triangle DEF is equal to 16. And then BC is equal to 2.1 square. And EF is not given, so we can take EF square. Clear? So 9 by 16. So this one we can change to 9 by 4 whole square. And then here we can take the square is common, 2.1 by EF the whole square. So now we can cancel the square. So we can get 3 by 4 is equal to 2.1 by EF. So divided by 3, 1 3 is 3, 7 3s are 21. So one number after point, so we can get 0.7. Then next we can take cross multiple. EF is equal to 0.7 into 4. So we can get 2.8 meter. Okay, so 2.8 centimeter. This is the result of EF. Clear? Okay, so next I will go for question number 9. So question number 9 they given two vertical poles of height 6 meter and 3 meter. So one vertical pole AP and another vertical pole CR. So I can take this is first pole and this is I can take second pole. Two poles I can take. Okay. So the height they given. Height of the first pole is 6 and height of the second pole is they given 3. Now you want to find the value of y. Okay. So we can join like this the top of the vertical pole to the bottom of the vertical pole. Right? The two lines are intersect at the point Q. The distance between B and Q is y. Right? Now you want to find the value of y. This value you want to find. Okay. So given AB is equal to 6. Although I can take in the here AB value is not given. So AB is not given. So AB I can take here A. And BC also they not given. So BC I can take B. So BC I can take here B. And then AC we can take AB plus BC. Right? So AC is equal to we can take AB plus BC. We can get A plus B. So AC is equal to A plus B. Here you want to find the value of y. This value of y you want to find. Okay, va? So here two poles are there. Okay. So first you want to prove the triangles are similar and then next you want to find the value of this y. Right? So first I want to prove that take the triangles and similar we can prove and then last you want to find the value of y. Okay, va? So first I can take the first pole. Okay, I can take the first pole right here. So first pole A, B, right? It is joined from the point C, right? So I can take that diagram for first pole A, B and C. And then in center you have BQ. BQ. Okay. So now take and substitute here. AB is equal to 6, BQ is equal to Y, AB is equal to A and BC is equal to B. Now you want to prove the triangles are similar, right? So here at point A, the angles are forming 90 degree and here the angle point B, angle is 90 degree. Now you want to separate the triangles. So first I can take the triangle BQC. So triangle BQC. And then second triangle I can take ABC. So next I can take the triangle ABC. Right? Here B is 90 degree and A also 90 degree. So angle B equal to angle A is equal to 90 degree. And then in this two triangle, angle C is common. Angle C is common angle. So we can get angle C is common angle. So common angle. So two angles are equal. So two angles are equal means we can use by AA. By AA similarity. By AA similarity we get these two triangles are similar. That is triangle BQC is similar to triangle ABC. APC. Now we can get two triangles are similar. If the two triangles are similar means we can use the sides of ratios. Right? Now we can use the sides of ratios of these two triangles. Right? So here BQ is equal to Y and BC is equal to B and AB is equal to here given 6 and AC is equal to A plus B. AC is equal to A plus B. Already we can find the AC is equal to A plus B. Okay. Now take the sides of ratios. So two triangles are similar. We can take the sides of ratios. First one BQ. In this triangle, the corresponding sides AP equal to next corresponding side here BC. Here corresponding sides AC. So these are the corresponding sides. Now take and substitute here. BQ is equal to Y. AP is equal to 6 equal to BC is equal to P by AC is equal to A plus B. Clear, sir? So this is the value for first one. Right? So Y by 6 is equal to P by A plus B. So this is result number 1. Right? First I can take the first pole draw. We can get the result Y by 6 is equal to P by A plus B. Right? Next I can take the second pole. Right? So I can take the second pole. Here second pole is CR. Okay, second pole is CR. So I can take the second pole triangle. So it will come ACR. Like that it will come. Okay. So I can take the second pole here. So ACR. And then in center we can get the line PQ. BQ. Right? Now you want to prove the triangles are similar. Right? So same one. Here angle B is 90 degree and C also 90 degree. CR they given 3. BQ is equal to Y. AB is equal to A and B. Total we can take AC A plus B. Now same one you want to prove the triangles are similar. Okay, so now I can separate the triangle. First one ABQ. So first I can take the triangle ABQ. And then second triangle I can take ACR. So two triangles I can take the right. Now you want to prove these two triangles are similar. So angle B is equal to 90 degree and angle C is equal to 90 degree. So angle B is equal to angle C is equal to 90 degree. Right? And then in both the triangles angle A is common. In both the triangles angle A is common. So angle A is common. So now two angles are equal. So by AA similarity, by AA similarity we get the two triangles are similar. So triangle ABQ is similar to triangle ACR. Now the two triangles are similar we can get. Okay, the two triangles are similar means next you want to use the ratio of corresponding sides. Right? So here AB is equal to A, AC is equal to A plus B, here Y and here 3. Now take the corresponding sides here. So corresponding sides here BQ. BQ by here corresponding side CR. CR equal to next corresponding side here AB. And here the corresponding side is AC. Now take and substitute the PQ is equal to Y and CR is equal to 3. CR is equal to 3 and then AB is equal to A and AC is equal to A plus B. Okay, so now we can get the result. This is equation number 2. Right? So now from 1 and 2. Right? So this is result number 1 and this is result number 2. In from 1 and 2, right? You want to find the value of Y only you want to find. Right? So you want to solve 1 and 2. Right? You want to find the value of Y. So now I can add equation 1 and 2. So add equation 1 and 2. Add equation 1 and 2. So we can add equation 1 and 2. Da. So equation 1 is y by 6. So we can add left hand side and then right hand side. So first we can add left hand side y by 6 plus here y by 3. Clear? Is equal to this side first one p by a plus b and then plus second equation we can get a by a plus b. A by a plus b. Clear? So here the denominators are different. Okay, so we can take the cross multiple. We can get 3y plus 6y by 6 3s are 18 equal to, here denominators are same. So straightly we can add, we can get b plus a by a plus b. So now we can add, we can get 9y by 18 is equal to, here we can cancel, we can get 1. So divided by 9, 1 9 is 9, 2 9s are 18. So next divide 2 come this side, we can get y is equal to 2. We can get y is equal to 2 meter. So this only you want to find, right? So y value is equal to y is equal to 2 meter. Okay, vada?